So I'm going to show you now how to print a GT label. So when someone asks you for a GT label, the first thing we need to do is check the other references against that part on the system. So how we do that is we go to Stock, Item Master Definition, then you click Open, and we put in the part again, type or click to search, and we'll do FE1009, tab or save. It will load the description of the part, so we want to see what other references are attached to this part. So where we do this is if you go to other references. Now in here is all the different references for that part FE1009. So we want to see if, first of all, the first ideal option we like is Clarius and a 7-digit Walker number. So we can see the Clarius is there and a 7-digit Walker number. Second option we look for is a Clarius and a 5-digit Walker number. So we know a Clarius and a 5-digit number is there as well. So that's under WA. Then we'll look then for a Clarius and a Euroflow, which is there as well. And a Clarius and a Bosal. And a Clarius and OEM. So there's no OE number there. Okay, so what we are doing there is we are checking that there is at least 2 different references there that we can put onto that label. So obviously the first option is a Clarius and a 7-digit Walker. If we didn't have a 7-digit number, we would look for a 5-digit Walker. Now, a 5-digit Walker could be under WA or Walker. So it's important for you to know that before you print the label. So sometimes you might have to do Clarius and WA or Clarius and Walker. But that's why it's so important to check this. So what we is we need 2 different numbers on the label. So in the license, if we were doing a label for some customer, we would do Clarius and Bosal. Or it could be Land Rover as Clarius and OEM. So we need to take in the label itself, the part itself, who's it going to, and the 2 different numbers. So once you've checked that, then the next stage is you're going to go to Sales, and Skill Labels, and GT label, and you put in your part number, so FE1009, and say 100. Now we can only do an 100 at a time, so see if you have to do 200, you have to do 2 100s. And then you go to Clarius and Walker and bring over them 2 options and hit OK. You can see here that the barcodes are our GT numbers are Clarius and 7-digit Walker. And file and print to GTX, and that's how we run a GT label.